from atop Climate Pledge Arena in downtown Seattle. This is the Everett Silvertips radio network on Everett's greatest hits, KRKO. Are you ready for the second half of the Western Hockey League season? The Everett Silvertips enter into tonight's contest the top dog in the entire league. 25-5-3. Lights up. It's showtime. Out comes Dupont. Snap pass looking for Bear as Bear juggles with the puck. Gets it deep to Dupont. Nice play. Dupont to the near corner. Centers a shot. Saved by Ratzlaff. Loose puck. Down low. In front. Score! Landon Dupont buries a power play goal and the Tips have tied it. Curling with it, right wing, Kaplan down low, Pierce stepping in, he scores! What a shot by Ryland Pierce, and the Tips have tied it. Backhanded to the slot, Shea Bush, he scores! A snipe and a stick throw from Shea Bush. Temple gliding, and he scores! Oh, that's pretty, Cole Temple. Downtown Seattle remains Silvertip country. The Silvertips, 5-3 victors in the Battle of the Sound. Jesse Son's 24-27. We're back with the happy recap.